Hello guys and welcome back to a Education. Today we'll be looking at how you can remove unwanted objects, people and text in seconds from your image. The first step is head over to magicstudio.com. After heading over to magicstudio.com, just come and click on upload picture, or you can drag and drop your image. As for me, I'll come and click my image. If you have downloaded your image like me right here, just come and click on it and then drag it and drop it right here. After you drag it and drop it right there, you will see your image right here. Just come and select the brush size you want to use. If you want it to be big or smaller, just select it. All right. After you are done selecting your brush size, just come and carefully select the image you want to erase. All right. Carefully select it and then come and click on erase. After clicking on erase, you will see that our image will be gone, or our object will be gone from our image. As you can see, the image is not there. The image was right here and you cannot even tell it was right there. So it is a very useful tool, especially if you want to remove unwanted people or objects or anything else from your image. Just go and use this tool. It is very efficient and it's very good. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and make sure to subscribe. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching and good luck.